the part 2 video of the first video that you've seen. um this video we will be creating a Lego brick. As you can see, this is a 1 by 1 cube, 8 millimeters by 8 millimeters by 9.6 millimeters. So we will be creating that in uh, Fusion 360. First, you want to create a flat sketch, because we will be looking at a bird's eye view with a stud at the top. So this is an 8 by 8 square, so we'll be making that first. So to make a square, which is really easy, is the center square, center rectangle. So an 8 by 8 millimeter square is what you want to use. Again, if you don't like this stuff, this diagonal crossing, I don't really like it because it provides no value. Um, you just trim it, and then in that center circle, it is the uh 4.8 millimeter circle. So this is obviously cut in half, so this will be a full circle, not a semicircle. So this length right here is the same length as this circle. So this is 1.6 millimeters. So that will be covered in the 3D portion. So right here, and that is in the center. So you will be here. So it's 4.8 millimeters. So you will manually uh, correct that. 4.8 millimeters. And you enter. Right there is what you need for the first part of the sketch. Right here, uh, I will expand this so that you can see it fully. Take a pause if you want and take a picture, and you can cat it. You can reference it to that in the later video. Okay. Then you will finish the sketch right now, even though we're not completely done. You want to finish the sketch right now. So in this right here, you can see that this is 1.6 millimeters in height. So we will be doing that. And you can extrude this face right here by clicking it and selecting it so it highlights this whole thing. You can create this, and we will be doing 1.6 millimeters. So 1.6 millimeters. See how this went away? We have to redo that picture. So you click the bottom of the uh, uh, cylinder, and you will be doing center square, and then you will be doing 8 by 8. This is the total um, distance. So yeah, then you finish the sketch, uh, and then you click highlight that so it does not include the circle, because you do not want that. So right here, you can extrude it as much as you want. So back to referencing this, you This is 9.6 millimeters in length, so we will be adjusting that to 9.6. Then, back to referencing this clip, uh, you have to create a sketch from the bottom view, the bottom of the Lego brick. Right here is a 14.8 millimeter rectangle, not a sphere, not a circle. So we will be creating a center rectangle, a 4.6 by 4.6. So these dimensions are not right at the moment. So 4.8. So wait, yeah, so this is wrong. So Command Z. Sorry, my bad. It was a 4.8 millimeter circle. I mean, rectangle. Okay, there we go. And then, since you want to extrude this, you finished sketch, because we do not need these little pieces right here. So you will select one of them, press and pull. It should automatically go to extrude. So you can also click on extra ones right here. So you can unselect, unselect, unselect. You can also highlight, highlight, highlight. Since this needs to be 9.6 millimeters in length, uh, obviously this, if you do positive 9.6, it will come out like this. You do not want that. You want to cut. So, and that is how you cut. This highlighting red will be cut. So if I press OK, it will not be there anymore. So, which is very nice, and we don't want that. Then this is also 1.6 millimeters, so that will be changed. So this should already be 1.6. So we inspect, inspect. So it is 1.6. So which is very nice. And then we should be done with our Lego brick. Since, as you see, this is cut all the way, we are actually not done. Right here, this is also 1.6 millimeters. So this, we will create a sketch. And then since we do not actually need to repeat this line making, we finish the sketch and it creates lines on that particular plane. So then you can press this on that particular plane and you can cut. Even negatives does not exactly mean cut. On this operation, you can cut, which is you can't cut in this because there's no body to cut. You can join it by creating more. You can intersect it, but there's no intersection. You can make a new body out of it, and then you can also make a new component out of it. New body and new component are basically the same thing. In this, you want to join it into one single part. So you want to -6.
I didn't get that. Could you?
Negative 1.6. And we should have a completed Lego brick. And let's just say it got beat up and it the points are curved. So to make a curve on all 3 points, on all three lines at this point, you select these 3 lines and you can make a rolling ball curve. So, and that's how you do it. So you can click multiple lines at a time to make it better. So you can click on every single line, total of 12 lines. This is just an example. This would not actually happen. So you can have a fillet or rolling ball curve of 0.5, and you would have a nice curvature looking Lego brick. And to save it, you press save in the top left corner, and you save it as Lego brick. And you can also 3D print this if you would like. And that is all for my video. I will come up with a new video very soon. Stay tuned, please, and like and subscribe.